Hey guys, welcome back to Western New York Weather. So today we're gonna talk about today's weather. It's the high pressure over Canada and the Canadian high is producing no clouds in the sky. Very nice day. We got rain and thunderstorms all around us, but down south here and parts of the Midwest, but most of the Northeast are not experiencing any clouds. And we got this system that could go tropical. And if you look at radar, there's really nothing on radar. No big bands of clouds or thunderstorms. Most of it's all radar interference, and that's all. That's all we have right now. All right, we go over here. No watches, warnings, or advisories for the Buffalo Weather Office. As we go back, as summer is coming to close, a high pressure system will bring sunny skies at least for the next couple week, at least the next couple days. Today's highs were in the 70s. Maybe got some 80-degree Fahrenheit reading here and there, but light rain. So there's a chance for abnormally dry conditions and colder air comes through this region but it's just really nice next couple days, even though it could be below normal temperatures next couple days too. Alright, for tonight there is no hazardous risks. Next bigger hazard is fire weather, which is a smaller chance, a limited risk. Buffalo is not known for their fire weather risk, but there's a chance for fire weather risk. It's gonna be a little bit drier. It's usually safe, but it should be avoided in the afternoon and avoid windier and drier conditions through the midday to mid-afternoon. We got some hazardous chances of rain and thunderstorm in the next couple of days, Thursday through Monday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the weekend. We're seeing some possible thunderstorm risks. It's a little bit more isolated. This is a little more widespread. And we got excessive rainfall, limited risk. For Sunday, we do have a lightning risk. This is all mostly on the water. Parts of uptown, not uptown, but northern New York could see some of this thunderstorm risk. Again, this is not supposed to be severe in any factor. It's just a general thunderstorm risk evolved with it. Let's look at the model data. Haven't seen anything recently. We get this low pressure comes in. Then it's primarily really quiet. With ECMWF, GFS, thunderstorm risk. Tropical cyclone could form and hit Mexico over there. But it's been really quiet. There's a high pressure. Now, around this time, July. Sorry. Around this August, September times. There's really not a lot of severe weather, but there's no snow because it's not, we're just coming off of summer, so it's relatively quiet. CMC, it's looking like the same outlook a high pressure is gonna set up. So icon, same similar outlook. There's a thunderstorm low that's gonna come through our region, then a high pressure system. As there is not a lot of rain, high pressure. We got day 3 thunderstorm risk. So as we discussed, there's a thunderstorm risk, but next 2 days or so, there's barely any rain, maybe a quarter of an inch of rain, if that. But days 1 through 3, we could see upwards of 2 inches off the lakes on Ontario, or probably around that 1 inch plus off of Lake Erie. But let's see. 7-day totals are relatively the same as the 5-day totals. Looks the same to me. So there's thunderstorm development could happen on that this weekend. This weekend, I saw a post where there could be a possible water spout for boaters on Lake Erie or Lake Ontario. It could be big thunderstorms, could impact the waters and could produce some significant water spouts. And with that, there could be a marginal risk that could be issued on over here in the Great Lakes region. If what the post said was true, could produce, if these water spouts were on land, like the one downtown Buffalo happened, could enter land and could be known as a tornado or a land spout that could produce damage. Looking at the 6 to 10 day averages for temperature, it's going to be a little bit above. We're going away from that colder air, now kind of leaving that hotter, maybe a little bit moist air that could produce some rain and thunderstorms from the instability on the lakes. This is below normal down south. Well, we could see the high pressure that's going to form up in the upper Midwest, just come easternly over our region. And it's going to be well below normal, around that 60-70% chance of just below normal precipitation. It's going to be drier because there's a high pressure that's going to set up, making like a bubble. Yeah. I have nothing else to say. This video is not as long because there's really nothing to report. There's this that could produce some severe weather on the lakes, but if a water spout does hit land, it's usually just evaporates or just dissipates in a way where it doesn't really, it's like a tornado, but it's not. It's a water tornado. But I don't think it's gonna be a big issue. Obviously, don't go boating when it's thunderstorming. I don't know why would you? And if you're smart, you should look at the forecast before boating. But that's all I have. Please like and subscribe. Please comment down below for any suggestions for any videos. And that's all I have. See ya and goodbye.